Use poetry to pick up girls. Words can be more powerful than actions in attracting girls. Women love to hear beautiful phrases. If your poetry is written or spoken excellently, then you have better chance at dating her, or better yet, seize her heart. Below are guides on how to use poetry to pick up girls. Determine if you'll use published or original poetry. Published poetry is powerful, especially if the recipient knows the author. However, it depicts that you're not that creative. Consider writing your own verses because it's the most powerful way to capture her attention. Use metaphors that are connected with her. Like put details about her residence, things she likes, physical attributes, and how you see her. Determine the depth of your poetry. Know the girl you're interested with before giving her poetry. Like, if she's literati, and then write verses like Shakespeare, Rimbaud, or Eliot. But if she's not much of a reader, then write in an ordinary tongue. Remember that poetry needs not to be metaphor bound. Besides flowery words, poetry is also about delivery. There are writers who use commonplace language. The depth and beauty is obvious because their pieces are poetic. You must also determine if you'll write in rhyme and meter or free verse poetry. Rhyme and meter might suit trained readers, but free verse will suit anyone better because of its energy and spontaneous nature. How will you give her poetry? With the help of technology like mobile phones and the internet, it's easy. You can send her poetry through email with images of red roses or stars to catch her attention. However, nothing compares if you'll speak what you feel directly to her. You may also speak some verses. It can be rehearsed or it can be spontaneous. What's important is the delivery. Try to read naturally. Don't worry because she'll feel your sincerity if you are sincere. Don't forget to look into her eyes while you speak. Even if she doesn't understand the metaphors immediately, you can tell if she's feeling bliss each time you utter a word. Frequency of verses. If you love her, then you'll make ways on how to make her smile and happy each day. You might have the ability to write a poem or two every day, but don't give her poem each time you meet. Make her crave, make her want, and make her miss you. This will make her remember your words before she sleeps. This will make your succeeding words for her a necessity. Incorporate technology to poetry. Besides email, print, handwritten, and oral poetry, You can make podcast or short poetic videos to enlighten her. You can burn the files in a CD as a gift, or you can surprise her by asking her to watch or listen to your artwork. She can watch it every time she wants. She can also listen to your poetry each day through audio files on her mobile. For help, attend creative writing workshops. Literature is a powerful and fundamental art medium, so it's probable that each locale has creative or poetry writing groups. There, you can learn similes and metaphors and how to use them properly. Creative writing workshops are better than reading literature books because it's interactive. Yes, you can pick up girls through words. But you need to be sincere, because like you, they're also sensitive.